There's our baby Livy. She's just happy girl. She's just swinging. Hi, Livy. She waved at us. No naked pictures.
It's all covered. Just showing everybody where his wee-wee is.
All right.
Wee-wee?
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 He's French. Wee-wee? Wee-wee-wee? Wee-wee-wee-wee? Say hi, Auntie. Hi, Auntie. Say, I went poo-poo.
Good job.
Boo-boo. Boo-boo. Okay, go get Auntie. Go
Okay,
get
come on.
Go get your truck.
Can you do the rosies with me? Ring around the rosies. Run, run, run. Run, run. So he gets his exercise, huh?
Yep.
Run back and forth.
Hey, Henry. Show Auntie how you ride on your truck with your hat. Here's your hat. Let's get your truck. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Henry. Oh, he's just trucking. Don't bother me now. I'm trucking.
Bye.
Can't see you down there. Better come back. Come back this way.
Bye.
So dark. Swinging happy girl. There she is. Swinging along. Swing, swing.
Bye, Henry.
There he is. There's Henry. Where's your truck?
Baby?
Yes, that is a baby.
Go get your truck.
Bye. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes. You want a different hat?